Why your brain loves comfort and hates success. Have you ever wondered why you do things you know are not good for you? You know you should study, exercise, and work on your goals, but somehow you choose something easy instead. You pick up your phone, watch random videos, and a few minutes turn into hours. Later you ask yourself, why did I waste so much time? The answer is not simply laziness. The real reason is hidden inside your brain. Your brain is a powerful survival machine, but it was not designed to make you successful. It was designed to keep you safe. Thousands of years ago, humans needed to save energy because food was uncertain and danger was everywhere. The brain learned one simple rule: avoid unnecessary effort and stay comfortable. The problem is, modern life has changed, but your brain still follows those old rules. Today, the biggest challenges are not wild animals. They are studying, building skills, improving your health, and achieving your goals. But when your brain sees a difficult task, it creates resistance. It says, "This looks hard, let's choose something easier." That is why watching entertainment feels easier than learning something new. That is why staying in bed feels easier than going to the gym. Your brain is not trying to destroy your dreams. It is trying to protect you from discomfort. But comfort has a hidden cost. The more you choose comfort, the harder growth becomes. Neuroscientist Daniel Kahneman explained that humans often use quick mental shortcuts because they save energy. The brain naturally chooses the easiest path. Think about your phone. You don't always open it because you need something important. Sometimes you open it without even thinking. Why? Because your brain connects your phone with quick rewards. Psychologist B.F. Skinner's research showed that behaviors followed by rewards become stronger. Every notification, every like, and every new video gives your brain a small reward. Your brain learns, this feels good, do it again. Slowly, your brain starts choosing instant pleasure over long-term success. But success works differently. Success usually gives delayed rewards. You work today and see results later. You exercise today and your body changes after months. You study today and the benefits appear in the future. The brain loves instant pleasure, but success requires patience. This creates a battle inside your mind. The present version of you wants comfort, but the future version of you wants achievement. Every day your choices decide which one becomes stronger. The philosopher Aristotle said, "We are what we repeatedly do." Excellence then is not an act but a habit. Your daily actions are creating your identity. Every time you choose discipline, your brain learns. Every time you avoid discomfort, your brain learns that too. So how do successful people overcome this? They don't wait for motivation. They build systems. They make good actions easier and distractions harder. They start small. Instead of saying, "I will completely change my life," they say, "I will improve one thing today." Small actions are easier for the brain to accept. The first step is usually the hardest, but once you start, resistance becomes weaker. Your brain begins to understand, this is normal. This is who I am. Psychologist Carol Dweck's research on mindset shows that people who believe they can improve are more likely to continue when things become difficult. They don't see struggle as failure. Successful people are not different because they never feel lazy. They are different because they don't let feelings control every decision. Your brain will always look for comfort. That is its job. But your job is to decide what kind of life you want. Comfort gives you a good feeling now. Discipline gives you a better future. The question is not, do I feel like doing this? The better question is, will this choice help the person I want to become? Because success begins when you stop choosing only what feels easy and start choosing what makes you stronger. Your brain loves comfort, but with practice, you can teach it to love growth.